Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining the show. It's a wonderful day today, and if you watched the yesterday's vlog, and here is today's vlog on the Action 4. As you can see, here is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 in hand. It's not the perfect camera in the world that everybody is saying, in my opinion. And I am entitled to an opinion online as well as you and everybody else, because people out there would tell you a few things that, oh, Fish is a hater. No, it's just you came by to say that you didn't like the video in your way, and that's your opinion. I love my cameras, I really do. I just talk from the inside outside like everybody else would that they won't talk about. Just keep it on the low side. Nobody will ever know that this shakes. Did you know that shakes? And the Pocket 2, it just basically slips in, but this is a locked in part. So you could be here pulling and pulling and pulling. It's not gonna come out. But they didn't leave enough room for margin. They left too much room for margin. So rather me yip and yap about the Pocket 3, let's go shoot with the Osmo Action 4. And I turned off Rock Steady because this don't have Rock Steady. It just has a image stabilization. And I'm gonna be all over the road. So I'm gonna just go mosey on down just a little bit on the road without image stabilization and see how important it is for you then to have a real wide angle shot in the water. We're going to start off single-handedly. Go nice and slow. Watch out for the Mr. Pigeon. And here we are. How sweet is that? How smooth is that, man? I think that's pretty fine, pretty awesome. Getting the nice shots indeed. So we're sitting on the side with Rock Steady. It's on. Watching the seagulls attack the garbage. So here I am, hearing people break the screens by slowly giving a rotation. And they're supposed to snap it super fast. I don't know. This came back from another user, and they were very happy with it. No complaints. I guess some do have problems. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. I feel that I don't want to adjust the shutter, and I don't want to adjust anything in the camera, but everything back there just doesn't look good. It's not great. And yeah, so you have a lot of dislikes, but I got a lot of likes of this product, man. Like my Sony. I go out there and I take a shot. It doesn't have image stabilization built in. It sure does. It's got dinosaur image stabilization now because you got to go use a online application. And if you want to go even further, you have to pay for it. Yeah, you know, that's the way companies are today. I'm getting on out of here. I'm gonna head on home. I said what I had to say, did what I had to do. And yeah, talked with what I had to talk. So we're gonna just turn the camera around, rotate it nice and slow, because that's the way panning is supposed to be. Panning's not supposed to be like that, fast. If you're gonna pan like that, you might as well just cut it all out. Seagulls attacking the food, angry. They want their food. They want their food. I see a beautiful color up ahead, but not with Pro on with my settings. So let me make sure I switch back off of what I got. I was on C2, which I got no idea what was set. Killed my shot. This looks a lot better. Oh man, that sun's coming up behind those buildings. Gonna be in my eyes when I get down to where I need to be at. But Fish, all this is too dark now. I think I got my EV down to negative 1.0. Let me raise that up just a little bit, because I know that's a little too low. I'm still off of Pro, not on it now. And I didn't have any EV value control. But I went into Pro to set it up a little higher. That looks a lot better. Oh yeah. So I put it on the handlebars. Hang on, it's gonna be a little rough. I got some sand. Ah, here we go. Now we got the concrete going, working for us. Yeah. I got the Pocket 3 in hand, but it's not filming. I'm just holding it. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. Biking with the OA4, much better than the OP3. This way, a lot of vibrations could cause damage down the road to your gimbal. Even on, off, just like a shock absorber in a car. What happens when it gets too much vibration? I went out, did a nice review on this, and not on it, meaning Pocket 3, I did a review of a compact chair. Well, I had a good time, did a good job, did exactly what I wanted it to do. I got some things happening behind me. Sounds like a vehicle riding along. Well, as you know, most of my sound is from the You Got It DJI Mic 2. Unless, if I had my camera off, it'd be fluctuating back and forth between the two. I got the sun beaming in my eyes. And that's gonna be time for me to get the OP3 out and go have some fun. Grab those shots, grab those times. I talked a lot, said a lot, shared a lot. Well, I'm done. I'm gonna shut you off. I'm gonna go back filming to the OP3, get some sunrise shots in, and share it to the world. You let me know what you think. I'll put them up on another day, another time. Same channel. You got it. I'm Fish. Time for me to shut you all off and just be all original.